Hi, I'm Mark and this is Dagmar. We're from Remax and we're here today at our newest listing at 7921 Lavena Crt in Niagara Falls.
Mount Carmel, Niagara Falls.
Very important, Dagmar.
Very important. This home offers 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, over 3,000 square feet of living space.
This amazing in-law suite. With this fully legal egress window. Let's go, Dagmar.
Hey Mark!
Thank you for visiting us at 7921 Lavena Crt in Niagara Falls. If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Niagara Falls, please call us. My name is Mark Werla. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
And I'm Dagmar. You can reach at 905-988-7288.